So welcome to my channel and welcome to SM City Olongapo Central. And what I thought I'd do today is go in here and explore this huge shopping area. And it's a good day to do it because it's an awful rainy day. So I got to do things inside. Go in there, check it out, see what it's like. Join me on this little mall adventure, and this place is big. Okay, so I just arrived inside, and one thing about all these SM malls and almost every single store here in the Philippines is they have an incredible amount of security, you know, at every single entrance. So you just can't walk in. They do check you if you have bags on or anything, you know. They even got the metal screener. So, but first thing we'll do is just kind of take a little walk around here on the first floor and see what they got. Now, I'm not going to go wander around in every single little store. It's just kind of like a, let's just call it like a outline. Got the famous Jollibee, of course. It looks like they have like a lot of these high-end places, you know. I wouldn't know what a high-end place is. I mean, I know what a few of them are like, but not a lot of them. But look how big this place is. It's amazing. Now, they do have a smaller one, which is just outside the Freeport. I call it like a mini one, which is not bad actually. And the parking here is very easy. It's 30 pesos. What's that? Just like 75 cents. One, two, three, four. Okay, so they got 4 floors here. Look at this elevator. Isn't that something? How cool is that? Okay, we're gonna wander up the second floor here. I think it gets bigger and bigger as we go up, maybe. I'm not really sure. Or maybe it just gets a little bit wider, actually. I like to highlight things like this, you know. I think this is really good. Really injects, you know, good tourism into the economy. It's kind of cool, huh? Fun for everyone. Wow. Right into this guy right here. I'll just kind of quickly go through this floor, see what they have. You know, the Watson's, that's like a franchise pharmacy here all over the Philippines. I think it's pretty easy to navigate. I mean, some of those malls that I've been through, like you go to the Mall of Asia, that place is just so big. It would probably take you, you know, 2 days to get through that thing. There's so much there. Just like some of the ones I've been to in Singapore, they are big. Take a look down where I just came from. There you go. my favorite chicken place, Mang Inasal. I order that from the Grab guys. Absolutely awesome chicken. I mean, things like this, when they build massive malls like this, especially in Olongapo, it's come a long way from its earlier days, and that is an absolute good thing. So a good view of the second floor. Pretty neat, huh? I'm glad I came in early, kind of like beat the crowd a little bit. Although, you know, it's Monday. Let's see what time it is. You know, almost 11 o'clock. Not a lot of folks yet. Probably if I came yesterday, it would have been a little bit crazy because it's Sunday, or, you know, weekend time. Called the Beanery. I got to show you these cakes. Pretty awesome looking, huh? One thing about the Philippines, they got the best baked goods ever. You can't beat them. You find me a baked goods that beats the Philippines, it's going to be very hard. Look at this elevator again, how that goes up. Pretty neat. Take a walk around here and see what's over here. Nice little places to eat under. Oh, nice. How about this? Here's another main entrance. Actually, so you can see again. The outside. We'll go check that out here eventually. Okay, we're gonna head up to the third level now. A lot of parking, another parking lot. See this, where I just came from. Get over it. Not bad. And what a day to do this. A rainy day. I generally like to overdo the shopping, but I really haven't got any choice today. Good way to get some steps in though. That's one thing you do about these big malls. Get a this seems to be the most interesting setup so far that I've seen here. I bet you this is really decorated pretty nice during the Christmas season, just like all Philippine malls. They start that around September too. I saw some pretty fancy ones over at BGC over in Makati. Really nice, beautiful setup. They even have a medical city clinic here. They got a place called a wellness space. Not sure what that's all about. But this seems to be the spa areas. I'm heading up to level 4 now. Looks like this is the what? Theater area maybe? Oh, convention center. Okay, they got one of those. Well, let me know in the comments what you think about my little mall tour here. Ah, food court. Those are always nice to visit. This is all the tech places. If you need computer stuff, I'm pretty sure you'll find it up here. How you doing, Ann? What's that? Oh, I'm just a YouTuber going around enjoying my time here in this really cool SM mall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really neat. First time I've been in here.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from California.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You're on vacation right here in the Philippines?
Yeah, kinda. I'm a world traveler, so I just make YouTube videos, and I think this mall is really cool, and it's a good day to do it because it's raining out.
Philippines, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Enjoy your day.
I actually love the Philippines. Yeah. Thank you. You guys have a nice day, okay?
Have a nice day, sir.
All right. Always run into nice folks. It's funny how they put all the tech on the very top floor. I noticed that on a lot of other places too. I guess that's just how they do it. Sometimes I'll put the food courts on the top floor too. Oh, there's the cinema. We'll make our way around that way. All right, we'll take a walk around the food court. I think just in time. I'm not going to get anything, but see what they have here. Places I've never even heard of, actually, you know. I think that of everything in this whole entire mall that I've been in, on almost any one, this is the one that I really like to see. Oh, these are these cherry blossoms. Look at this right here. What's that? Oh, wow. Oh, I love cherry blossoms. Unfortunately, that's not a real tree. That's a fake tree. So this is the end of this video of my little walking tour of SM Olongapo Central here. It's really been a lot of fun just kind of wandering around. I hit every floor here. Let's see if I can count them. There's the ground floor. I'm on the second floor. 3 and 4, and then they got this really cool looking elevator right there. A lot of places to shop at here. But if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video from beautiful Philippines later.